Mo, yung kasing pag-enforce ng lawful order ng court, ng warrant of arrest, yan ay isang bagay na protected by the mantle of law. So may presumption of regularity at legality yan. At the same time, hindi mo nga kailangan ng mag-break open ng panibagong order para mag-break open ka sa mga walls or mga doors, ganyan. Kasi for as long as the law enforcement bodies, personnel, have a reasonable basis to consider that could potentially be the place where a fugitive is hiding, then they can avail of all the necessary and reasonable modes and ways para magawa yung kanilang trabaho. Now, ang tanong kung yung matagal na ba, depende yan. Kasi nga, sa laki kasi ng lugar na hinahalughog nila, they really need to have more time and they need to have more people to do that. So, I think by and large, yung reasonableness is a question of fact. Christian and Victoria. Sa ngayon kasi, normally, kung ordinaryong tao yung hinahabol mo, akala mo talaga overkill yan, 2,000. Tapos matagal. But then, given the fact yung ganyang sitwasyon ho naman yung lugar na hinahalughog, 30 hectares yan, and then hectares. 40 plus structures, and we don't know kung merong underground. Sinasabi nila may naririnig daw silang
heartbeat.
But then that's the basis for you to proceed some more. Hindi natin alam kung bigyan natin ng pagkakataon talaga ang ating kapulisan at matatapos naman itong kabanata na to kung sa harapin na lang ng ating pastor, si Pastor Kibuloy, harapin na lang niya yung kasong yan at let the will of justice take its course.